Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about restaurant logos. The setup initially is pretty simple, but I'm going to show you some things that can happen if you're not following our sizing guides for your logos and how you can avoid that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and navigate to the restaurants tab. From here, we're going to change the location if we need to, or just stay on the default one and select any restaurant that you want to edit. And now on the right hand side, next to the context notes and SEO tab, you will have a logos tab. Now from here, we give you very specific sizing in pixels, how big the images should be. So the menu logo is going to be displayed on the driver app, on the DeliverLogic app for the restaurants, and on standalone sites only. Okay, so in this case, we suggest a 450 pixels wide. Now, if you upload anything larger than that, the system is automatically going to shrink it down. Now, the reason why this is important, and this is not necessarily the driver app or the DeliverLogic app, uh, it's a issue because the images are gonna appear distorted, right? So on purpose, I put some of these images here, and you can see that these, for example, look kind of weird. They don't look proportionately well. You can see that this Wendy's one is kind of like flattened down. Uh, so to avoid this, and you can also see these logos are not fitting perfectly. And I did this so you guys can see exactly like how, for example, Five Guys looks perfectly fine, but for example, the Chick-fil-A one, the logo looks kind of weird. So this is why we give you specific sizing. So for the menu logo, 450 pixels wide is ideal. Now the link logo, you want that to be as tiny as possible. So it's going to be 85 by 85 pixels. Okay, so or any one-to-one ratio, right? 100 by 100, 200 by 200, and then our system is going to shrink it down. But one by one ratio, aspect ratio is perfect. And then we also have the featured dish and restaurant card, which is going to be these pictures right here. So you can see these right here. And those are supposed to be 672 by 204. So if you have issues uploading an image, you can try to convert it to a JPG, JPEG file, because it's going to compress it a little bit. The quality might not be as good, but it's best if you do that, because the faster your customers can load your website, the faster they can be in checkout. And that's very important because a lot of people can bounce back if they don't load your website quickly. So once you have all of these, you can overlay the logos with a border or a glow color. That's totally up to you, and you can choose any of these colors here. And then make sure you select the overlay logo on top of featured image. And that is it. I just wanted to show you guys this, just so you can have a idea on how to do this properly. You can also use remote URL, and what you want to do is you can basically go to Google, find a logo, and copy image link. And once you paste it in here, once you save this tab, the logo should display just fine. If you have any issues, either try a new logo or try to download the image. And then the remove image check buttons are going to be, you have to select them, then hit save, then the images are going to be removed. Okay, if you just upload something, it's just gonna take the new uploaded image and put it on top. I hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next video.